Hello everyone at Luke Rides. After all the mega miles and fun that we achieved on our many motorcycles, from GS's to beautiful 1200 RTs to Triumph Speed Triple R, to all sorts, we have covered loads of ground and it has been epic. It's been so much fun, feeling the roads, feeling the cambers. And oh my god, the motorcycles just wanted to go into the corners. It was brilliant. And Luke Rides was just having so much fun, and the rest of us were all having our own fun too. So where we are is a motorcycle museum, and it is full of motorcycles of the past, and it is going to be epic fun. So let's go check it out here at Luke Rides. Let's get some filming on. Yeah,
it's showtime.
Luke Rides. We have had this Sammy Miller Museum here in Somerset. Oh my god, look at this place. It's vast, it's huge, it's massive. It's got trackers and oh my god, look at the motorcycles from the past. So we're going to go in, we're going to go and explore. We're going to take a break as well, and then we're going to see what we find. And oh my god, it's literally full of motorcycles. How heavenly is that? Now let's go and explore. We've got some little cannons, you've got places to sit, have some food, have a coffee, all that sort of stuff. Luke Rides is feeling a little bit tired because after all those miles riding a race bike, yeah, your body gets pretty tired, your back, your neck, everything. Well, here we go everyone at Luke Rides. We finished at the absolute epic museum, and now all of us are about to hit the road. Let's ride, yes!
The way we The little rascal has fluid. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
In a BMW classic race bike with red fuel tank. How cool is that? BMW said, no, this has to be red. Just to remind you, this is not an ordinary motorcycle. How to start the ride? Would you guys please give me some fucking fuel?